Hi there. Now I will show you how to get paid from Fiverr to Payoneer. At first, you need to have a Payoneer account. You can sign up the Payoneer account, and when you earn money on Fiverr or any marketplace, you will see how much dollar are available for withdraw, and then click on Fiverr revenue card. Then you will get an email like this, and they are asking you to confirm your payment system. Just click on here and you will redirect to this page. And after redirection of this page, they will ask you to create a new account. But if you already have a Payoneer account, then you can click here. And it will ask you to log in your Payoneer account. After login, you will see your funding sources as Fiverr. That means Fiverr is added on your Payoneer funding sources, so that you can easily transfer all the payments from here. So whenever, say after 1 month you earn $300, then again go to earning and click on Fiverr revenue card. The whole amount will redirect to your Payoneer, and from Payoneer you can add any bank account to withdraw for cash. Thank you for watching the video. We saw how to add your Payoneer account with Fiverr. Right now I will withdraw the money. You see there are available money is 212. Again you have to come to earning, and one important thing, after attaching your Fiverr account with your Payoneer, go to Payoneer activities and funding sources. You will see your Fiverr account is there already, and you will get a notification email like that. We are happy to let you know you can receive payment from Fiverr right now. Okay, so Payoneer and Fiverr is attached. Right now I will withdraw the money. So again go to earning and click on Fiverr revenue card. It will ask you to tell the amount of withdraw. Suppose I am withdrawing the whole amount, confirm and withdraw. Okay, so already the total amount is sent to Payoneer. For the first time, it may take 1 to 3 days for getting the money on Payoneer. Sometimes it can happen on few hours, but maximum it will take 3 days for the first time. But when you make the first payment, from the second payment, you can take payment within 30 minutes. That means for the first time it will take only 1 to 3 days, but for the from the second time you will get the money instantly within 30 minutes. So this is how you can uh, withdraw the whole amount from Fiverr to Payoneer. Thanks for watching the video.